In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change data source in Power BI. Whether you've moved a file, switched to a new server, or simply want to point a report to a different location, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make the change and what to look out for along the way. Start on the Home tab in Power BI Desktop. From here, select Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. This is the workspace where Power BI keeps track of how your data is brought in and shaped. Think of it as the recipe for your data set. Every step of the process is recorded so you can review it and adjust it when needed. Once the Power Query Editor opens, look at the Queries pane on the left. This is where all your queries are listed, each representing a table or a data pull. Click the specific query whose source you want to update. Choosing the correct query is important, especially if your report pulls from several different sources. Now, turn your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see the Applied Steps pane. This is a chronological list of transformations Power BI has applied to your query. At the top of this list is the Source step. This step controls where the data comes from. Selecting the Source step, or clicking the small gear icon next to it if it's available, lets you edit the location details. What you see next depends on your data source. If it's a file, you'll typically update a file path. If it's a database, you may adjust the server and database names. Make your change to point to the new location. As soon as you confirm, the preview in the editor will update to reflect the new source, allowing you to verify that the connection still returns the expected data. A few tips as you do this. If your new source has the same structure, same columns, and similar data types, your downstream steps should continue to work smoothly. If column names or types differ, you may notice errors in subsequent steps, which is Power BI's way of highlighting where the transformation logic needs attention. Also, if your organization shares reports, consider whether the new location is accessible to others. Using a stable, shared path, or a consistent server name helps avoid broken connections. And that's all there is to it. Open the Power Query Editor from the Home tab, select the relevant query on the left, use the Applied Steps pane on the right, and update the source step to point to the new location. This keeps your reports flexible and your data connections clean and maintainable.